Hi guys, I'm Ted Borja and welcome to a day in my life as a student of Ateneo. Usually, Saturday is for rest and tulog. Pero hindi today because may pasok ako. One subject lang naman kami. So today, sasamahan niyo ako from commute to campus hanggang sa class, study session sa library, and quick walk around campus. So ayun, let's get this Saturday started. After getting ready, umalis na ako and nag-commute papunta sa campus. Medyo chill lang yung biyahe, so I just listened to music and prepared myself for class. Finally, nasa campus na ako. Since one subject lang today, hopefully, hindi siya masyadong nakakapagod. Time for class! During the lesson, I tried my best to really listen and understand what our teacher was discussing. Hindi lang basta notes, kailangan gets din talaga yung lesson. After class, pumunta ako sa library para mag-review. I went through my notes and studied the lesson habang fresh pa sa mind ko yung discussion. After studying, nag-break muna ako and took a quick walk around campus. Kahit saglit lang, it was nice to get some fresh air and relax a little. After that, it was finally time to go home. Nag-commute ulit ako and habang nasa biyahe, nagpahinga muna ako and just enjoy the ride. Medyo nakakapagod yung day pero at least productive naman. And that's it for my day. One class, some studying, a quick walk around campus, and of course, the commute going home. Simple lang yung Saturday ko today, pero sulit pa rin. Thank you for spending day with me, and see you sa next vlog.